Hey, today I'm going to show you how to create a weekly timesheet in Excel. So let us start by entering the values in our cells. First, let's say date, and we will say day, time in, time out, and total time. Okay, so for the days, we will do this calculation for the whole week, starting the day from Monday. So what you can do is after writing Monday, you can just get your cursor to the corner below and this your cursor will change its design. Then just pull this Monday to the below and you'll get rest of the days. We'll take it till Friday. And for the date, you can put any date. Let's do 19th is Monday, 19th. What I did here is just I entered a formula is equal to today in parentheses. This will give you the today's date. Let's paste this so that the formula is removed. Then just drag this down till Friday. It will give you all the dates. You don't need to type in manually. All right. For the time in, what are we going to do here? We are not gonna enter the time manually. If we do it like this, and every day we have to enter the time manually, we can put some control, some validation in this cell. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a list which I have already created here in this sheet. You can also go to a new sheet and create a list of all the times from the start of the shift to the end of the shift, and you can also do that by drag and drop like this. Just write that starting time and increase the time by 1 minute. Okay, hold both of these cells and move the cursor to the corner and drag it down. As you can see, you will get the list of the time. You can drag it down until the desired time which you need. I already did this here, so I'll just remove this and I'll use this list. Now what I will do here is after clicking this cell, I'll go to the data. I'll select data validation, and under this allow, I'll select a list, and then I will click this icon for source. I'll go to my list and then I'll select this whole list and I'll click enter. I just used a formula there, I mean a shortcut there. If you're on Mac, you can use command shift and the down key after clicking the first cell of the list. And if you're in on Windows, you can this cell click on this first cell and press Control Shift and the down key. The whole list will be selected. Now we got the time here. I'll copy this in timeout and we can select whatever is the timeout. For example, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then what I'll do here is I'll subtract this timeout from time in. So I'm getting 9 a.m. but I have to change the format. Here, go to the format and then change from AM PM to just in this hours. I'll get 9 hours. So this shift was total 9 hours. I'll copy this time down below and I can just drag this. Before dragging that, most of the shifts are having a lunch break of 1 hour, which we have to subtract this from our shift, so it should be an 8 hour shift. So what I'll do here, I'll just write lunch break, and that's for 1 hour. And here I'll add parentheses to this formula, and I'll just subtract 1 hour from it. There you go. And you just add a dollar sign for your lunch break cell reference, so that when we drag it down to the remaining cells, that should be constant. You see that? Now we got all the 8 hour shifts. We can just do a little formatting here. Employee name, for example, the employee name is Jacob. So you can do this for the entire cell. All right. So we got the basic thing for the timesheet here. Now what we can do is we can just total out sum of the whole thing here. We can do sum, use this function, and then calculate all these. Now there is a problem here. You're not getting the correct value. Why? Because of the formatting. Then you go to the format cells, select custom, and you can type in this custom format if you don't see it in your Excel sheet, and then click OK. We just have to put this H in brackets. There you go. Now you get 40 hours in the whole week. After that, you can write your pay rate. For example, your pay rate or your employee's pay rate. Let's put $18 here. And then you can calculate the total weekly pay. So when you multiply this dollar value with your time, it will not give you the correct result again. So what you just have to do is put this parenthesis and multiply this whole thing with 24, as we are calculating it with the time, 24-hour time. You will get your total weekly pay or your employee's total weekly pay. Now you can just copy this whole thing if you have multiple employees. Okay, I'll move this lunch break here so that it should be aligned. Okay, and we can do little formatting here. We will give this a heading, weekly timesheet, and then we can write your organization or department name for this timesheet, for which this timesheet is, we are making this timesheet. Let's write your operations, and we can write the manager name. Okay, and here we can give a company name, I'm just using this name for an example. I don't know if there is any company exists with this name. And you can give a small logo here of your company or logo here. And you can just give this a border to have a better look on borders, and thick outside border. I just like to remove the extra grid lines so that this border should be highlighted. And there you go, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and if you have any questions, and if you want me to do any more such videos with any other different Excel sheet, then please write down in the comment section below. And if you want to download the same Excel sheet, you can download it from the link given in the description below.